Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to gift you a very important gift which you will receive in the year 2024. And that gift is I am going to help you crack the prelims examination 2024 through my FLTs. In this video, I am going to explain to you how I have analyzed the previous year questions, last 2-3 years questions, and how I am framing important questions which will come in the UPSC prelims examination 2024. And by solving these questions, your chances of cracking the prelims examination will increase like anything. So before we start, let me tell you something about myself. Guys, I have cracked the UPSC prelims examination 6 out of 6 times with one of the highest scores. You can see some of my scorecards. And in the last couple of years, I have helped thousands and thousands of aspirants to crack the prelims examination. Guys, first let me tell you the schedule of the FLTs. So this is the schedule of the FLTs. So starting this Sunday, every Sunday we are going to have one FLT. And in this FLT, I am going to gift you important questions. Okay, all important questions which I have predicted, I am going to gift you. If you want to solve more important questions, you can solve my Optima sectional test, one test for every subject, which also has all important questions. But in this video, I am going to explain to you what is the philosophy behind framing these FLTs, how I have analyzed, examined the previous year questions, particularly the new trend. Okay, particularly the new trend. So this FLTs will be exactly based in the new pattern of the UPSC, and I'm going to give you proper justification, proper reasoning, and after watching this video, you will gain the confidence that yes, you are going to crack the prelims examination. I can assure you that. And I will need your participation also. So in the comment box, you can message me anytime. I will reply to your queries. So let us start without wasting your time. Let us start. So guys, first, what I have analyzed that in the past 2 years, there are some new trend questions which were not asked before 2022. So there are some new trends question which were absent before 2022. Before 2022, these questions were not asked. So which are these types of questions? So one of that type is what? Days. One of that type is what? Days. Okay. So guys, if you see in 2023, Constitution Day was asked. Again, National Handloom Day was asked. Okay. In 2023, Constitution Day was asked and National Handloom Day was asked. So two questions came on this. If you go back, then in 2021, International Year of Language was asked. Mother language was asked. Am I correct or not, guys? In 2021 also there was one question on International Mother's Language Day or not. Okay, there was a question. This means what? This is not one of a case. This is a trend which is evolving in the UPSC. So what I will do is that I am giving you some hints. I can't give you the entire question now because you have to solve in the FLT. So I can't give, just I'll give you one question to show how am I predicting the paper of prelims 2024. How I'm exactly going to predict the entire paper of prelims 2024. I'm going to prove you. So I'm going to give you 1 or 2 examples. I cannot give you entire questions in this video because you have to solve them. Then only you will be able to test yourself that are you ready for the UPSC level FLTs or not. And if you have already taken the FLTs in some coaching institutes, please share your feedback where those FLTs prepared in the manner in which I am explaining to you, you'd like to share in the comments. Okay, so guys, this year I am predicting Farmers Day and Space Day. Like this, there are some other predictions also, but I'm just gifting you 2 topics right now. This year, UPSC may frame question on Space Day, National Space Day. Why? What is the reason for that? Because in 2023, for the first time, National Space Day was observed when the Chandrayaan 3 reached the moon. And second, the Farmers Day, because of the Bharat Ratna given to a leader. Okay, because of the farmers leader. Okay, so in this context also Farmers Day is very important. I'm giving you some examples how I am thinking. I'm just analyze the mindset of the paper setter and I'm applying it with a little bit of my experience, and I'm giving you one or two predictions like this. A lot of predictions in all 7 FLTs I have done, and also in the Optima sectional test. So guys, do you like this? Guys, do you like this? Okay, this first analysis, do you agree with this analysis or not? Now you tell me, have you taken other FLTs? Did you find such kind of questions? Okay, did you find such kind of questions? Let me know in the comment box. Okay, the next question. Let us now come to the next question, guys. Next question, if you see, UPSC last year is giving this new pattern of questions where statement 1, statement 2 it is giving, and in one of the statement it is using facts. In one of the statement it is using facts. Okay, so guys, last year they have asked question on fact based exports. Okay, fact based on exports. So this year they can ask questions on facts on what? This year they can ask question on what, guys? This year they can ask question on what? They can ask question on unemployment, fact regarding unemployment, fact regarding inequality, fact regarding inequality, fact regarding electronics export, fact regarding GDP, fact regarding per capita income. Someone is saying tax also. Yes, I can't give you the entire question, sir. I'm just giving you some hint. Yes, tax to GDP. I've already framed this question in the FLTs. Tax to GDP, very good. I'm not giving everything, guys. Again, I'm telling you, this is just a hint. How I am framing exactly what UPSC is going to give in the prelims 2024. I'm just giving you the idea by analyzing UPSC question only. I'm not doing any magic. By analyzing UPSC question only, I am extrapolating and I am deriving new questions as per the current affairs. Guys, this year the major concern is what? This year the major concern is inequality. Inequality. Guys, inequality, okay, has been increasing. Inequality has been increasing, and there may be a question on inequality. Very okay. So same thing, they will just ask inequality in India is this much, Gini coefficient is this much, and they will give you the reasons for that. They're going to give you reasons for that. How many of you think this is amazing analysis, guys? In the comment box, I would like to know from you. Okay, I'm going to know from you how many of you think this is an amazing analysis. Third type of question, guys, which is a trend in the UPSC, which is basically reports and facts. Means they are asking facts again, but they are linking it to a report. They are linking it to a report. Okay, guys. So all the important reports and their facts I am covering in the 7 FLTs. All the important reports and the facts I'm covering in my 7 FLTs. I'm giving you few examples, few predictions. I cannot give you all the predictions because all the predictions will be there in the FLTs. So multi-dimensional poverty report. Multi-dimensional poverty report has come. Inequality report has come. You see, report they will give and fact they will give you. How many of you think this is great? Guys, how many of you think this is amazing? You see, how I'm linking. Just I'm analyzing the UPSC question and I'm linking it to the current affairs so that your mind will open how we have to study. How we have to study. So these kinds of questions I have put in my FLT. FLT means full length test. Okay. Report is clear, guys. Facts and reports are clear. Now let us go to the next question, guys. Next kind of questions, again facts, but comparative facts. Guys, you see, in 2022, they asked comparison between India and Vietnam. Vietnam. Last year, they asked China. Last year, they asked China comparison. So again, they can ask you comparison between, okay, manufacturing. What is the share of manufacturing in GDP in India and China? What is the GDP of China and India? What is the per capita income of China and India? Per capita income. Per capita income. Or population comparison. Population, guys, China population is decreasing already. China population is already decreasing, guys. So they can ask you some comparison between India and China population. Are you getting this, guys? Guys, are you getting this? Okay. How many of you think we are going on the right track, guys? How many of you think we are going on the right track? Okay. So like this, you have to prepare the issues. Okay. Like this, you have to prepare the issues. Someone is saying superb. What about others? What about others, guys? Okay. Now let us come to the next, okay, prediction. Guys, last 2-3 years, UPSC has a habit of putting questions where UPSC says, Constitution defines. Constitution defines. Okay, they give you an article and they say Constitution defines. So this year they will give you which article? Article 368. Article 368. And we have basic structure doctrine. Basic structure doctrine. Article 368 and basic structure doctrine. Is the basic structure doctrine defined in the Constitution? Is the basic structure defined in the Constitution? Guys, they will ask you, basic structure, Article 368 is defined in the Constitution. Like this, they will trap you. The examiner will trap you. Article 368, he can trap you. Don't fall in that trap. Don't fall in the trap. Then guys, Article 21. Okay, Article 44, the DPSP, UCC, guys, how many of you think amazing, really amazing, guys? Please, okay, please do let me know in the comment box. Are you getting this idea? So this is how you have to, okay, prepare on the lines of the UPSC. Now see, you may understand why I am able to predict so many questions in the UPSC examination. Only test series in India, only test series in India to predict prelims questions every year consistently. Okay. Next, elimination type of questions. Guys, all the tricks, like you can see here, none trick. You can see here, science-based tricks can be, or the exchange trick, the rule of exchange which I have taught you. All the elimination techniques will be used in the 7 FLT. So option elimination. Last year, 30 questions can be solved using option elimination. All such will be incorporated in the test so that you get an idea of implementing. Just now, one dear brother, Telugu brother from Hyderabad called me and he said, sir, I want your option elimination webinar. I said, are you solving questions on option elimination? He said, no, sir, I am not solving questions. Guys, option elimination webinar is not going to help you. Just that you have to apply them in questions. You have to apply them in questions. Otherwise, see, many people know elimination techniques by my YouTube videos, but they are not able to apply inside the exam hall. If they were able to apply in the exam hall, the cutoff will not be 75, because last year around 1.2 lakh people watched that video. After that also people are not able to apply. Why? The reason is, just by watching, it is not going to help you. You have to apply, you have to practice. Guys, are you getting this point or not? You have to practice inside the exam hall. In that pressure situation, many people are not able to apply these elimination techniques. When you practice in the test, then only you are going to learn them. So in the FLTs, I am including this. Next, guys, map based questions. Guys, UPSC last year is giving country based questions. They will give you one paragraph. They will give you one paragraph and they will say why these countries are, okay, known. Or they will give you one paragraph and they will say which is this country. Last year they have asked Somalia. Last year they have asked Somalia. So guys, this year Sudan. Write down, guys, Sudan. Write down, guys, Sudan. Okay. Similarly, you can see here places in news and why in news. Places in news and why in news. Places in news and why in news. Okay. You can see here places in news, why in news. They can give you like this also. Okay, so all such places I am including in my tests. All such places I am including in my test, guys. I'm the places and why in news. Places and why, such kind of questions I have included. Next, conflicts. Favorite topic of UPSC, conflicts. You can see here last year. Okay, Syria. Okay, Donbass. Okay, Donbass they have asked. Okay, Ukraine. Okay, Kachin, Tigray. This year what? Let me give you a few examples. Palestine conflict, Essequibo conflict, South China conflict, Taiwan conflict. Like this, many conflicts are in news, guys. So I have framed such questions, conflicts in news. Guys, is this amazing or not? You see the critical, how I am analyzing each and every type of questions, and I am linking it to the current affairs, and I am giving you in your FLTs, so that you gain the confidence that yes, you are on the right track, guys. You are on the right track, guys. Just see, I'm not giving you everything. I'm not giving you everything by this is just an indication, just a show, just a trailer, like the Salman Khan movie trailer, Shah Rukh Khan trailer, Prabhas trailer, like a trailer. It's a trailer only. Okay, the movie will be in the FLT. Okay. Okay, next, guys. Okay, next, term-based questions. Okay, term-based questions. Okay, term-based questions. There are many term-based questions in science and tech. Okay, last year UPSC has asked 4 term-based questions. I'm going to give you again term-based questions. I'm going to again give term-based question. Okay, next is, guys, pollution related. Pollution. Every year one question comes pollution related. This year air pollution. This year air pollution. This year air pollution you can get. Okay, like this. There are other pollutions also. I'm not going to give you everything here, but yes, one population related question will, pollution related question will come. Pollution related question will come. Okay, next, guys, next, environmental conventions related. Environmental conventions. You see, guys, all these environmental conventions are in news in last 1 year. I am giving questions on each and every one I have framed. You can see here. Okay, just you see here. Okay, zero waste, then electric vehicle, then Porcia, then high sea treaty, then global biofuel alliance, Antarctic treaty, biodiversity fund, Amazon cooperation treaty. Okay, then EUDR, CBM, EUD. Okay, European Union has come with various environmental regulations, guys. Okay, okay, just energy transition. Okay, like this, I have tried to, okay, debt for nature swap. All the important conventions I have framed questions and I have put in the FLTs. Again, COP related, guys. Okay, you can see here, global cooling pledge, global stock take, global coal and goal on adaptation, UAE declaration on health, global decarbonization accelerator, oil and gas decarbonization charter, global renewable energy charter pledge. Okay, so like this, each and every conventions, each and every environmental conventions I have added in the FLTs, each and every one which is there. Only important, only important. It is not like a test series. It's only important. The questions which are going to come in exam, guys, this is what is the true, okay, significance of these tests. I'm giving you how I am framing the questions. Okay, how I am deciding which topics to frame. Okay, just I'm showing you, guys. Next, you have the environmental organization based question. This year, coral reef, because of the mass bleaching, coral reef related organization, they can ask you. Tiger related organization, they can ask you. Again, guys, this is not an exhaustive list. Again and again, I'm telling, this is not an exhaustive. This is just to show you. This is just to show you how is my approach to FLTs, how I'm going to predict so many questions. Guys, in the last few years, you see economic geography question is coming. New minerals are coming. You can see ilmenite, rutile. Then you see here cobalt. Okay, new minerals. So this year again, critical minerals. Government has come out with a list of critical minerals, 30 mineral list. 30 mineral list. Do you agree or not, guys? Okay, this year again, this, okay, every year UPSC is giving one question on new minerals. New minerals. They can also give you polymetallic nodules. Polymetallic nodules, the sea mining. Okay, guys. Next, species related, guys, species related, not protected area, species related. You see here, bees, last year bees were asked, honey bees. Okay, this year camel, international year of camel, tahar, Nilgiri tahar. Okay, like this, I am going to give you all important species in the FLTs. Every test will have one species. So 7 tests will have 7 species, most important one questions. Next, protected area, guys, protected area. Few important predictions. Every test will have 1 or 2 protected areas. Every test will have 1 or 2 protected. Last year UPSC did not ask protected area, guys. This year UPSC is going to ask protected area. Mark my word. Mark my word, guys. UPSC is going to ask a protected area. I'm predicting now only. You can save this video and you can check on the day of exam when UPSC will give you protected area question, guys. Guys, next, sports related. Many people will not prepare. Sports related, guys. I have covered entire sports ministry. Entire sports ministry. I have given all the important things. One question in every FLT I have given, guys. Again, awards related. Awards related I have given in every FLT. I have given awards question. Awards question, guys. Again, you see, legislation in news. Legislation in news, guys. MTP Act. MTP Act is news for the last 2 years. MTP Act, medical terminacy of pregnancy, guys. Am I correct or not, guys? How many of things is amazing, guys? You see the analysis. You see the analysis, guys. How am I linking the themes I am selecting, guys, and how I am predicting? How I am predicting, guys? How I am predicting? Okay. So this is how. Tell me if you have solving the FLT somewhere in India. Are you getting these type of questions, guys? Are you getting? Honestly, tell me. Okay. Okay. Cover then agriculture related. Agriculture related, guys. You see, I have prepared the list of agriculture topics. Every year UPSC is giving 1 or 2 question on agriculture related. Last year, it did not give much question on agriculture. This year, definitely agriculture related question is going to come. You see the list. National Turmeric Board. Okay, millets. Like this, Swaminathan, MS Swaminathan. Okay, great personality. Okay, then such kind of question definitely they should ask. You see here, I have prepared the, okay, these are questions I'm going to give. Okay, so like this, guys, I have prepared my FLTs. This was just a trailer. Just I'm going to give you justification why this test series is the best test series in the country available. Okay, please do attempt this test if you want to boost your marks by 20 to 30 marks. If you don't want to boost your marks, don't take this test. Again, I am warning you. If you don't want to increase your marks, if you don't want to increase your marks, please do not take the test. Only take the test if you want to increase your marks. If you want to increase your marks with less effort, then only take the test. Otherwise, please don't take these tests. Okay, because a lot of questions are going to come in exam. If you want to struggle, then this will make your life very easy. Please do not, okay, take that easy path if you want a tough path. Okay, guys.